Hi everyone, I'm Gini Saraswati Goel and wish you a Merry Christmas. What exactly is the essence of Christmas? Is it not all about love, happiness, abundance, forgiveness, and gratitude? So, how about having these feelings every day of your life? How is that possible? It is possible through a very beautiful prayer, which is called the Hawaiian prayer or the Ho'oponopono. And what is that? Dr. Hewlin was called upon in a mental institute to treat patients who were very violent. They were so violent that their legs had to be tied up, their hands had to be tied up, sometimes even their mouth had to be tied up, otherwise, they would just bite their tongues off. So, Dr. Hewlin started doing this beautiful prayer, and within a couple of months, his patients started getting okay and were getting discharged. Within a few months, the whole institute actually closed down because there were no patients left to be treated. Amazing, but true. When interviewed, Dr. Hewlin said the following. He said that he believed everything in this world is made of energy. You are energy, I am energy, the words are energy. So, if everything is energy, we all are connected to each other. And if we all are connected to each other, then what I say, think, or feel has a definite impact on you. He set about to find these very powerful, high energy, high frequency words which had such a remarkable effect on his patients. And what are those words? For that, close your eyes, keep your hand on your heart, and say this with me. Think of that person, think of that pain, think of any negative emotion you want to cure or you want to get rid of. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Open your eyes. How are you feeling? Better? So, Dr. Hewlin used to go to his office, take out the file of that patient, think of that patient, and feel that if that person is energy, I am energy. So, what prayer I am saying is going to have an effect on that patient. And it definitely had. So, whenever you want to get rid of any negative emotion in your life, any negative feeling of anger, hatred, guilt, frustration, just sit down and do this. You can do it 5 times, 10 times, 21 times, 51 times, any number of times you want to do. You can just do this till you get rid of that feeling. It can be used for physical pain, emotional pain, any negativity in the money area of your life, any negativity in your career. Just try it on everything and everything. I have done this, I've tried it, and it has remarkable results. So when you do it and you find those results, what you will say is amazing but true. Hope I've added some value. Stay blessed, stay happy.